Hey, are you interested in artificial intelligence and how it intersects with a variety of fields? Do you want to learn more about career paths in tech? Then you should apply for the free Discover AI program being co-sponsored by your university and AI4ALL. I am Sean Peters, the Curriculum and Instruction Manager at AI4ALL and the creator of Discover AI. Discover AI is a hands-on introduction to artificial intelligence and computer science, ethical issues surrounding AI implementation and tech careers. You will walk away with ideas for next steps you should take in pursuing an academic or career path related to AI. You'll also earn a Discover AI certificate of completion that you can highlight in your resume. Discover AI is online, spanning multiple weeks, and includes synchronous and asynchronous instruction with very flexible scheduling, and there are no program fees. So who should apply? AI4ALL programs are designed to bring together and highlight voices that have been historically excluded and that will lead and shape the future of AI. We aim to serve the following students, especially those at the intersection of two or more of these identities: Indigenous peoples, Black, Hispanic or Latinx, Pacific Islander and Southeast Asian, trans and non-binary, two-spirit cis women and girls, lesbian, gay, bisexual, asexual and queer, students with a demonstrated financial need, and first-generation college students. Discover AI is open to all undergraduate students and is designed to accommodate students with and without prior CS or AI experience. AI4ALL's long-term vision is to foster a community of diverse leaders across a variety of fields who influence AI in a positive direction. We look forward to reading your application submission, and if you'd like to learn about AI4ALL, please visit us at ai-4-all.org.